Hey everyone, we are back again for another Amazon tutorial video. Today we are going to go over the Vine program. I am Matthew Ryan of Envy Born Games, and I am joined today by
Becky of Rainbow Rabbits Games.
all right. And I will begin sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
In order to get to the Vine program, it's one of the tabs under the advertising. And basically, you click the little three bars in the top left corner, go down to advertising, and then it pops up and you can see it's the Vine program. Now, the Vine program is something you can access when you are brand registered, which we still have to make a video on going and becoming brand registered, which we will do. But the Vine program is a way to get reviews on new products that you're launching on the website. So Amazon, if you don't know this, has very strict guidelines on how you can solicit or get reviews for your products on Amazon. And let's be honest, the number one thing people look at is how many reviews it has and the rating that a product has. So if you don't have those, it's very important for you to get those because it helps you with conversions and selling your product and ranking better and things like that. So Vine program is a way that they introduce this. I recently added 2 new products to the Vine program. Here you can see I added Mind Your Business because I just recently got this look. And I dedicated the maximum amount of products you can dedicate to the Vine program are 30. So I dedicated 30 copies of it. And what happens is they have people on their end that they solicit these SKUs to that are on Vine. So people can see, oh, there's a new board game on the Vine program. I'm going to enroll and I'm going to get a copy. Now they get the copies for free, and then they're very likely to leave a review. It's not 100% guaranteed, but they're supposed to leave you a review, and you can leave up to 30, and then you start to get your first reviews through this program, so it can help your listing. Now, Amazon charges you for this. There's a $200 fee per SKU that you add to it. So, Amazon's got to get their hand in there as many times as they can. It's not like they're already making money off of every sale you do, but to put a product on here, Amazon's going to take $200 once you get your first Vine review, and then hopefully you get as many as possible from it to get you started on a healthy listing. It's a really easy way to do it. You just add the ASIN, which is the number every product's going to get. I don't know if this will show up because I already have it there, and you would search it. Mine here, begin enrollment. So you would put your ASIN in the begin enrollment in the top right here, and you would click begin enrollment. I'm getting an error because this product is already enrolled, but normally would just show you the product that you don't have enrolled, and you can click it, and then you submit how many you want to enroll. So I did 30. I did the maximum because it gives you the best chance of getting as many reviews as possible, and I want as many reviews as possible. You can see here under enrolled, you can see the number count and claimed. So with the Mind Your Business, I have 30 enrolled and 5 have been claimed so far since I put this up. And I probably put it up like 3 days ago. So it's very new and fresh still. I have this other product called the Legends Card Thickness Gauge Tool. 4 have been claimed, but there's no more available, even though I enrolled 30 of them because I sent in product and it just hasn't arrived yet. And that's basically it for Vine. I don't know. Do you have questions on that, Becky, or is there anything else I could go
I
into?
have you looked at your business report? So one of the things that shocked me when I did Vine, which was 2 years ago, was on top of the $200 flat fee that you pay, they charge you their regular finder's fee when the person
Oh,
claims it.
oh
So
wow.
I did this stupidly during Black Friday when I already had like deeply discounted, and I had a day where I had negative money,
Oh no.
and I like freaked out and turned it off. It ended up working out in the end. I just didn't understand that. So
I didn't realize they took their regular enrollment fee too, because you're giving the product away for free. So that's news to me.
yeah, I guess they consider it sort of like the fee that they would do for FBA because they have to ship
Right.
it to the person or whatever, like that comes out of your pocket.
Yeah.
Um,
When I originally did this, it wasn't called the Vine program. It was some other program. I can't remember what the name was for it. but it changed to Vine maybe like 2 years ago or something. Or I don't know exactly, but I haven't actually done a Vine myself. I did something very similar to it when I did my first game, Don't Get Drunk, which I don't remember what it was called actually at this point.
Can I share my screen
But
quickly and then I can
yeah,
share?
let me stop sharing and then let's check out your report so we can see some of this
I
breakdown.
thought it was going to be more in depth. It's basically almost exactly what
One
you just
line.
showed. One line. But I originally made 2054 available, and then there's a button where you can say stop, and I pressed the stop button because I freaked
Oh,
out.
okay.
But 25
25
claims, I got 20
Oh,
reviews,
that's great.
which is great.
Yeah, that's
And
a
this is
good amount.
on the page. The person who does it will have like this
Yeah.
green identifier.
Yeah, it says
So
Vine customer review of free product. Okay, so it's like they confirm that this was a Vine review.
yeah, and I feel like the Vine people, okay, except for maybe this person, they were, pretty thorough. So
Yeah,
they're
look
nice,
at
good
that.
chunky reviews. Like, they earn getting a free copy of the game,
And that's
I'd
probably
say.
why they're part of the program too. Like I said, they're very likely. You had 20 out of 25, so that's great.
Yeah. It was like, you know, over 6 months
Right, but
before,
still,
yeah.
I think I have my game Don't Get Drunk has 360 reviews, and I've been selling that since 2018. So it takes a long time to get reviews, unless you're moving massive and massive amounts, which it sells well, but it's still not, on the level of a lot of other games on Amazon. So,
Yeah.
uh, but yeah, that's about the Vine program, and maybe in a future video I can do like a quick update on what happens with these two SKUs that I listed, just so everyone sees. But the Vine program, and I would highly recommend doing it when you become brand registered with a new product.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good way to kickstart getting reviews.
and
See what I did there?
doing it the proper way. Don't violate those TOS.
Oh, yeah. No, that's an easy way to get your entire account shut down.
Then you are screwed.
Yeah.